Hey guys, it's Haris with WTI and I want you to know about this delicious perfume. It comes in a spray form, obviously, but it smells delicious. It's like a super classy jet fruit touch. It creates a special, long-lasting fragrance that really lasts all day with this delightful scent. I love that it's not too strong to wear during the day, but also not too simple for the night. I can wear it for any occasion and still smell great anywhere. Besides smelling classy, it looks that way too. It has a very unique design and I love the glass part. I usually just rub it on my hands, and that's enough to enjoy this really delicious scent. And that's my point of view.